sumiklab sa isang cargo vessel sa Pasig River sa Delpan Bridge sa Maynila.
Pahirapan ang pagkapula sa sunog na kumalat hanggang sa mga kalapit na bahay.
Good day.
We are familiar with the harm that fire can cause since we see and heard about the news frequently. Let's find out what is the cause and effect and what you should do when there is fire. But before anything else, let me tell you what this fire is all about.
Fire is a chemical reaction that converts a fuel and oxygen into carbon dioxide and water. It is an exothermic reaction, in other words, one that produces heat. This is due to the fact that the chemical bonds in the oxygen molecule are fairly weak and the new bonds produced when more stable, then there is a net produce of energy. Fire is deadly, it is because of the toxic gases, thick smoke, and lack of oxygen. In a fire, breathing even a small toxic elements can be disorienting, causing people to pass out.
Si Clarice ba kanina? Parang nanakawan siya kanina. Tapos, ganito kasi, sabi ko kasi, Clarice, pag-check pa muna ng bag ko. Kasi, totoo yun, sabi ko, Clarice.
May naamoy ako. Amoy sunog!
Preventing fire from electrical hazard. Overloaded electrical circuit, faulty electrical equipment, and misuse of electrical equipment are commonly causes of fire. Never run extension cord under carpet or rug. It can overheat and causes short circuit that could start a fire. Turn power off at the power point for electrical equipment that isn't in use. Keep all electrical appliances away from water.
Prevention from lighting candles. Never leave an oil burner or candle alight when you leave home or you asleep. Don't leave candles or oil burners near curtains. Use in a safe area where they won't be knocked away from children and pets.
Preventions of spreading the fire when cooking. Not leave a used portable stove inside. leave cooking unattended.
Preventing fire from rechargeable devices. Don't leave the rechargeable electronic devices such as mobile phone, laptop, tablet, or e-readers on charge for a long period of time. Only charge your devices on a solid fire-resistant surface such as table or bench rather than soft surface like couch or bed.
Buenos días con ustedes. Nakikita ahora para pregunta el un víctima del fire incidents. Buenos días po, ma'am. Cosa di tuyo nombre y cuánto di tuyo edad y dónde ustedes taqueda?
Yo si Rosalyn D. Paragoso, 43 years old. Iwan Fan, guys.
Sí, gracias. Cosa el reason por qué ya sucede este clase tragedia?
Takusin na yung kayo kabar, yan de gusto ko na din yung anak, kabar, yung bolbel una din yung anak, kabar, yung Miraele, kay maya, kabar, ang kalalang sabihin ko, mang, oreo, si, namirayo, kay ma, yung kasa, kabar talya, jutan sa lord.
Desde mga ora, tiene ba ustedes cosa ya salva maskin cosa?
Tuway ni uno todo upot.
Puede yo pregunta, cosa tu ta sinti después ta sucede el incidente de quema?
Wele, wele kay todo da mga kami kay kada uno pa ya par de uno na
Muchísimas gracias, Ma'am Nu. Pwede ba ito dali na magahente kenta mira aura maskin ko sa tips para hindi este sucede kanila este klase trahedya. Sa mga oras na ito, hindi na po nakapagsalita si Ma'am Rosalinda nang dahil sa emosyon na kanyang dinadala. Gracias, get Ma'am Nu. Ojalá queda tu bueno y be strong lang ustedes. Sa mga nanonood ngayon, lagi nating tandaan, huwag natin basta iwanan ang mga bagay na dapat itago o ang pagiging sanhi ng sunog. Lagi nating tandaan, sunog ay iwasan, kaalaman para sa seguridad.
Think fire safety and act responsibly. Fire prevention is our intention. Safety starts with awareness. Awareness starts with you. Ensure fire safety, save life, save property.
Live life tension-free. Fire safety is the only key.
Safety is everyone's responsibility.
Fire won't wait. Plan your escape.
Safety first is safety always.
Big or small, fire safety is for all.
Keep safe.
Iwasan kaalaman para sa seguridad.